All right, so here we have 15 equals a divided by 3. And we want to solve for a. The question is, how do we get that? Well, a is not alone. A has this down here. It has this divide by 3 next to it. So we need to be asking ourselves, how do we get rid of divide by 3? Well, the way we get rid of divide is multiply. We're going to use the multiplication property of equalities, which means we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by a number to get rid of that division sign. You guys can probably guess right now what that number is going to be. So let's take a look right now. We want to get rid of divide by 3, so the way we get rid of divide by 3 is to multiply by 3. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. Remember, it has to be equal. You have to do it to both sides of the equation. So let's write this out. 3 times 15 is 45. Bring down my equal sign here. And if you work this out, we want to do this right now to show you all the nit and grit about it. We have to multiply fractions straight across. A times 3 is 3a. 3 times 1 is 3. And now we have this 3 divided by 3 here. Well, those can cancel out because 3 divided by 3 is 1. This 3 divided by 3 here is 1. It's going to leave me 1a. Bring down my 45 on the left-hand side, and I'm left with 45 equals 1a, or 45 equals a. This can also be written like this, a equals 45. Our last step here is to check and make sure we did all of our work correctly. So let's go ahead and start with our original equation. I'll do this in another color. We started with 15 equals a divided by 3. And again, we want to check, does a really equal 45? So we are going to replace a with 45. So I'm going to have 15 equals, I get my divide sign ready here, divide by 3. Remember, we're replacing a with 45. And this is going to just plug this in your calculator. You can do it by hand. 45 divided by 3 is 15. And now I just bring down this other 15 on the left-hand side here. Does 15 equal 15? Yes, it does. That is true. So this just proves that all this work over here is correct and that A does equal 45. Shoot me an email or talk to me next time in class if you have any questions about this.